So today we are testing out this little 5-in-1 card reader from Llano. I think it's Llano, I can't remember. Used a couple of their products on the channel. This one they sent to me, asked me if I'd like to review another product, and obviously, yeah. Also, I can never have enough card readers. I've got a fast one downstairs, I haven't got a fast one upstairs, so this will live upstairs if it's good. In the packet, or in the box, we get instructions. We get USB-A to USB-C cable. We get another one of those USB-C to USB-A adapters. And then we get the device itself, which kind of looks like a little camera. The way they've got that on there. Let's get it out of the actual packet and then we'll see. But now obviously it's because it's memory cards at the end of the day. So what's it got in there? Designed for cameras. Card reader. Initially, yeah, I like the look of it, I like the feel of it. It is metal. I need to get some more glasses because my old ones up here are no good really. I've got this bracelet. Since I've taken the mouse pad off, this bracelet is very annoying. I have to stop wearing it when I'm doing the videos. Right, so we've got power, CF, compact flash, memory stick, SD card, TF, M2. Which I'm guessing TF and M2 is micro SD card. So what's TF, M2. So you've got TF and then you've got M2. Okay, so one of the good things about this little device, it will read and write to 4 cards simultaneously. And it works on Windows, Linux, Mac operating system and Chrome OS. And as far as I know, it's plug and play. So there's no drivers to download or anything like that. So you've just got the USB-C cable at one end. And then obviously you've got your card readers the other side. Not sure why you'd have the card readers or the card inputs one side and then that the other side. Yeah, I'm not sure about that, but I'm sure they've got a reason. You may be wondering why this has got 5 slots, but it can only do 4 cards, read and write at the same time. It's because the M2 and the TF, they share a single interface in the actual unit. That's why it will only do 4. So I've put this through its paces, and it's a good little card reader, but it does have some issues. But we'll get into that in a bit. Overall, it does what it says it will do on the box. It's also pretty small. It's very easy to chuck in a bag or even your pocket. If you want to take this out with you, maybe you're on a photo shoot, or maybe getting some drone footage, maybe on holiday. Or even just like me, where I'm often out on locations taking content for the channel. It's handy to be able to take a card reader with you to check the footage you're getting while you're still out there. And you will see why that is important in an upcoming video with some issues that I encountered while out and about filming. It didn't go well, but let's just leave it at that. It didn't go well. Okay, so I did do a speed test, so let's just have a look at the sort of speed you're getting with this. And I also compared it to, if you remember this other Llano device, this is just called the Card Reader 4. And this is an actual protective case with slots for 4 SD cards and 8 micro SD cards. It also has a SIM removal tool, and it has the plug, get it right in a minute, the cable built in. This I bought. I purchased this after seeing it reviewed on another channel that I watch. Okay, so just doing a quick test, a speed test with the SanDisk SD card that I use in my camera. This is the fastest card I have. This is in the little Llano. And this one is, I think, about 6 gigs, 6.3 gig. So let's just see if we copy it over to the actual hard drive on the laptop, what sort of speed we get. So you can see we're getting around about 88 to 91, 92 megabits a second, which is okay. Right, we don't actually need to copy that over because I've already used this video. Right, now let's compare that to SD card and micro SD card reader. So let's plug this in. And and see what this does with the same memory card. Okay, we've got the same card, put it in there. So the same file, we'll drag it across and see what speed we get now. Just zoom you guys in a bit. And as you can see, we're getting 150 plus megabits a second. Megabytes, megabits, I don't know, one of the two. But anyway, it's another 60. And it's considerably quicker. Now the other one isn't slow, it's just slower than this. Okay, so what I'm going to do this time is we're going to copy a file from the SD card, my camera card. Let's just try and find one. 1.4, we'll try and find a bigger one. 10 gig, right. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to copy a load of these dashcam footage, dashcam videos in this one. So, which one did I say, that one? Yeah. So we'll put that in there first, and then we're going to put that in there. And it says it will do 2 at once, but the speed absolutely tanks. So amazingly, the top one, which is now running incredibly slow, that is the SD card that usually gets to about 90. The one at the bottom, that's the micro SD card, and that's going up and down. But that seems to be the priority. But yeah, it will do 2 at once, but it seriously slows it down, so I wouldn't recommend it. As you can see from that speed test, the Llano Card Reader 4.0, 4.0, it's not an O, it's a 0, 4.0, is considerably faster than this. As I say, this has got the advantage of being smaller. It's not designed to keep your cards safe where this is. So if you don't need a case to keep your cards in, then this probably ain't going to be for you. If you just want a card reader, this will probably be the better option. But if speed's important, I would say go for this one. Because, yeah, if you don't need... If like me, I only use SD cards and micro SD cards. So this is perfect for me. It's fast. It keeps them safe. This is a great card reader. This is a good card reader. That was a noisy motorbike. I usually shut the window, and I haven't because it's bloody hot up here. Neither of these are the cheapest you will find. What I find with Llano is they offer good build quality, good reliability, because I've been using this for quite a long time now, and I use it a lot. And I've also been using my HDMI, wireless HDMI from Llano, that I use for my overhead camera that's not currently plugged in because I've done the overhead bit for this, to my monitor. And I use that. And that works really well. So I use Llano products. This one I bought, and some I've been sent. And I can honestly say, the build quality is very good. The performance is usually pretty good as well. As I say, this is a little bit slower than I was expecting. But it's still quick enough. It's still quick enough for most people. Unless you've got mega huge files, then you're not going to really notice that much difference between using this and this. Here's my dilemma with this video. Now, Llano have sent this to me, and I really appreciate them sending this to me. As I say, they've sent me a couple of products now, and I always appreciate any company that sends me a product. But I don't feel obliged to then give it a rave review if I don't believe it deserves one. I think this offers better value for money. If you don't need these other card slots, this is the better product. Now, when I bought this, I paid £36 for it on Amazon. And I thought at the time, that was pretty good value for money because it's a fast card reader. It keeps them safe. You know where your cards are. Now, I'm losing it. I always lose things. Just ask my wife. I'm hopeless. But I know where my cards are because they're in here. I keep them safe in here. This is great. Now, at £36, I said it offered very, very good value for money. The price has dropped on this. It's now on Amazon. The actual current price is $29.99. Right, now as of today, making this video, I don't know how long this is going to last, but it's currently £25.49 for this one. That's a no-brainer. If you just need SD card or micro SD card, get that. This is really good. I really, really like this. Now this goes for £20 on Amazon, but at the time of recording this, it is currently $16.99. So for £9 more, you're getting considerably more speed and storage. But as I say, if you want these other card, or if you need one of these other card slots, then this is probably the one for you. If you don't need those other card slots, then I would recommend this one. Either of them, you're going to be happy with them. But I just think the extra speed and the build quality and the fact that it keeps them safe, this kind of like ticks more boxes for me. But I'm still keeping this. This is going to stay upstairs with the laptop. That one is the one I usually use downstairs with the PC. So now I'm going to have a good card reader upstairs and downstairs. So yeah, I've got to say thank you to Llano for sending this to me. I'm sorry that I'm not giving this the glowing review that maybe you were hoping for, but I just think that this product that I've previously bought from you guys is so good that that's what I was kind of comparing it to. And I just think this is so much, not so much better, because obviously this is the 5-in-1, that's only a 2-in-1 card reader. But for me, I think the speed and everything, and yeah, this is good. Don't get me wrong, this is good, but I just think this is great. So it's kind of took the edge off of this one a little bit. And I'm sorry about that. But as I say with this channel, the reviews, I am unbiased. So even though these products are being sent to me, if I don't like a product or if I just think something's slightly better, I will say that. It may result in me getting sent less products, but honesty it's got to be one of my main priorities for this channel. So thank you for watching this video. If you've liked it or found it informative or useful, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help. If you have any questions about this card reader or any other Llano items that I've got, as I say, I've got the card reader 4.0, highly recommend. A Llano HDMI, wireless HDMI kind of adapter thing or kit, highly recommend. Use it all the time. Then please drop a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Oh, hello, Poopers. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But that is it for this video. So I will say, bye-bye.